Hi folks, my name is Adam. I'm with Trenchless Today. I'm here with 3 of our techs today. We are in Stockbridge, Massachusetts, where we got a call from a homeowner who was having some issues with her pool. It was draining when it should have been holding the water instead. So we came out, assessed the issue, and we found out that we needed to coat her pool lines. So over in this general direction, we have some of our guys working. So if you follow me over to the job site. Okay, so we are just outside the job site area. You can follow me right down here. You can see our customer has an in-ground pool. This is where the issue is happening with the drainage, or where it was not holding its water properly. So you can follow me down to our first access point, which is right over here. In the back, you can see our techs working. We will check in with them in just a couple of minutes. Okay, so we've got some tools spread out here. All this stuff goes into making our job work the way it's supposed to. So right here we actually have our camera. It's off at the moment, but what you do with that is you stick this line right down into these pipes. Those are our access points. That way you can see what's going on underground without actually having to go underground, hence the name Trenchless. So same thing, all these tools just kind of went into it. This was just to get to our access point, and it's actually about 40 feet from our other job site right over there, and provides us a different view from the opposite side of the pool. We do have another access point back here. It's just got the end of all of the lines, and that helps to let us know what we're exactly working with, how many lines in total there are, and again, just give our guys another viewpoint in case they need it. So follow me right over to where the techs are at the moment. So both of them play very important roles when we are doing these pool coatings. So right now, Mike is actually running the mini miller. What it's got on the end of it is a bristle head. So what that does is it spreads the coating inside of the pipes. It's epoxy resin. And what it does is it seals whatever gaps may be existing in those pool lines so that it won't be draining anymore. Where Josh was just a few moments ago is right over here. So with this gun right here, he actually pours the epoxy resin right into this machine. There's actually some residue left over. What this machine does is just feeds the line right into where Mike is working underground, and that's basically how we do it. Afterwards, it'll be a new coat right under the pool, and they shouldn't have any problems, and that's our guarantee.